Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to change your deductible on your Geico auto insurance policy online in 2025. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. It's gonna be brief. Let's get straight into it. Now, the first you're going to need to do, of course, is to log into your Geico account. So go ahead this time to Geico's website, and then you're going to log into your account using your username and password. Once that's done, you're going to click on policy details. So once logged in, click on policy details and then select the policy that you want to update. And once that's done, you're going to click on coverage options, and then just select the coverage type that you want to update. It could be collisions, or it could be comprehensive. Go ahead and click the coverage option, and next you're going to select the new deductible. So go ahead and select the new deductible amount from the available options. And once that's chosen, you're going to need to review and confirm the changes to your policy, just to make sure that everything is accurate. And once that's all done, Geico is going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to change your deductible on your Geico auto insurance policy online in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next